welcome back to my channel. I'm Zoya Day, licensed esthetician, and this is Day's Beauty Room, your #1 source for professional skincare advice, product knowledge, and esthetician tips. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my at-home spa/lash setup. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And let's get into today's video. So like I mentioned before, I'm going to take you through my spa/lash room setup. It's more of a lash room because as of now, I have been taking lash clients at home in my little setup. You've seen me record a few facials and demos in this little area, but it's now finally set up to start accepting lash clients at least. I don't really know if I'm going to start doing facials just yet, but I'll keep you guys updated as we continue to go along. If you want a more in-depth video of me showing my lash applies and what I exactly use or my lash setup, just let me know in the comment section below. But on that note, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to start with is the spa bed. So it's going to be this right here. It's a nice size bed. I do have a little pillow right here to help with the client's comfort. I actually was going to give this bed away or sell it because I was having a really hard time lashing with it due to this little, I don't know if you can see it, like this little part right here. It was really hard to get my legs under the bed, but I use the like massage head attachment that it came with and set my pillow on top. But if you guys want a more detailed video of how I set my bed up for my lash clients, let me know. So I do also provide a blanket since I don't have a super large clientele. It's easy for me to switch out blankets and wash them in between clients when I need to. And I'll show you right here, it is blocked off to the other side of the apartment. So I'm set up in my dining room right now, and the other side is the living room, and then this side over here to the left is the kitchen, but we're not going to show that. And then over here we have my facial cart, and then I have my cleaning supplies right there at the bottom. This isn't really put together all that well because like I said, I'm not doing facials as of right now. It's more so just for like demo purposes and stuff like that, and extra storage. And then I have my ring light, which helps me to see when I'm lashing and all of that fun stuff. And then I also use my mag lamp on the opposite side, so I'll have light on both ends when I'm lashing, right? And right here we have my lash cart. Like I said, everything is pretty much from Amazon. I'm not going to go in too much about each and every item. Like I said, I can do a separate video on that if you want. So right here is where I keep all of my lashes, different sizes and lengths. And then I have my cotton rounds, my sanitizer. I also keep my tools, my lash tools right there. And then there's gonna be my fan and my thermometer, or it lets me know the temperature of the humidity in my room. And then right here we'll have my other lash supplies. So I'll have my lash glue, my lash cleanser, my thermometer, and my digital thermometer for, you know, COVID and all of that. I have my nano mister and some extra tape. I don't know if I talked about all of the stuff that was in here. So I also have some tape and lash cleanser or lash glue, like cleansing pad. I'm sorry, the lighting just got horrible. Some lash cleansing pads right there to clean like the top of my lash glue. And then I have gloves and some little extra supplies that I technically don't really need right there. And then right here on the last row is my 3-step like disinfecting system right here. So the first little container is alcohol, and I'll let my tweezers sit in there for about 5 to 10 minutes and let them get any extra glue that I might have gotten on them during the service off. And then I'll go in, and after they sit, I'll go and clean them with soap and water. Then we'll go in with the barbicide, which is the blue right there. If you're esthetician, cosmetologist, you know about barbicide. And then I'll let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then go in, same thing, wash it with soap and water. And then I'll let them sit in the sterilizer right here for about 5 to 10 minutes again. And then let them chill out and finish drying right up there. And if I need to, I'll go ahead and disinfect them one more time right before my client gets them, just for extra cleansing purposes. Alright beauties, like I mentioned in the video, if you want more behind the scenes or have any questions about lashing, the service, the tools I use, or anything like that, make sure you leave them in the comment section below, or you can hit me up on Instagram and send me a DM, and I'll be sure to get to you and answer any questions, or if I can, make it into a video for you. Make sure you tune in next week where I'll be talking about my views on DIY skincare, plus the pros and the cons that come with it. And I do have some new content and videos coming out for you guys within the following weeks and months. There also might be some products and different services that I'll be providing for you guys, so make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you don't miss any of the new surprises and fun stuff we have coming out. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next week.